Hello YouTube. I wanted to do a 2-year review of a Neotec NCS 2500. I've had this saw for about 2 years. Paid my own money for it and have ran probably, I don't know, maybe 4 gallons of mixed fuel through it. The saw comes with the saw itself. It has a scabbard, has a mixing tank, and then it has some miscellaneous tools. They're mostly junk. The only tool I found useful was the screwdriver to adjust the carburetor, which did need a little bit of adjustment from the factory. Other than that, the factory saw, the only thing that was inadequate on it was the chain. The chain was a good cutting chain, but in the rails here, 050, it just wobbled too much, so it bogged down or pulled to one side. So I replaced the chain with a Oregon semi-chisel chain. So cuts much better, 3/8 low profile, 050 gauge, and it's running like a little over 20 thousandths on the raker gauge. This saw would be adequate for like a homeowner to do small limbing up to maybe 12-13 inch rounds, not much, or someone who was in construction, rough construction, you know, cutting 4x4s or whole bunks of wood, just doing flush end cuts. It would be a great saw for that. I've since changing the chain, I've also drilled out, I don't know if you can see, drilled out the exhaust on the outside to 1/2 inch, and then took it off and drilled out the inside baffle to 1/2 inch as well. Also advanced the timing on the saw. So the timing, the Woodruff key's pretty sloppy from the factory, so if you just remove the flywheel nut, you can gain probably 3.5 degrees. I filed some more, so I'm at like sitting at 5 or 6 degrees advance. Run 40-to-1 fuel in it, and it runs pretty good. So I'll give you a little demonstration here of it cutting on some firewood. I would definitely recommend it for the price point. Just a fun little saw to mess around with and have fun with. Thank you. So all in all, not a bad little saw. Keep a sharp chain on it, and makes some good chips, and does fun. All right, over and out, YouTube.